Welcome to my channel Brainies. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Aicardi syndrome. Aicardi syndrome is a rare which is present at birth condition and that affects the child's brain and eyes. It's a life-threatening condition. Severe cases may affect the child's life expectancy, but however it is not all the cases are very severe. The child will be still able to play, laugh and enjoy their childhood, even if it is shorter than others. The three most common features of Aicardi syndrome are agenesis of the corpus callosum, chorioretinal lacunae, that is defect in optic nerve, and seizures. The symptoms of Aicardi syndrome are mainly it affects the child's brain, eyes, and the physical development. The signs and symptoms includes agenesis of the corpus callosum, epilepsy, that is seizures, brain asymmetry, abnormal brain folds or grooves, brain cyst, large ventricles, and heterotopia, that is nerve cells collecting in abnormal locations. In addition, the child misses the developmental milestones, and intellectual disability is very common. It can be from mild to severe. The eye signs are defect in the optic nerve, missing retinal tissue, small eyes or even underdeveloped eyes. Mild cases may even cause vision problems. Severe cases may even cause blindness. The physical development signs and symptoms are Aicardi syndrome can affect the physical development of the child. It can lead to weak, floppy, and uncoordinated muscles, small head size, spine and rib abnormalities, large ears, short space between the upper lip and nose, small malformed eyes, and thin eyebrows. So, the symptoms furthermore includes the infants may have trouble sitting up on their own, grasping objects, or even walking. Other than that, the child may have one or multiple characteristics from the following list. The gastrointestinal symptoms can happen, like difficulty in feeding, constipation, diarrhea, gastroesophageal reflux, etc. Even with all these differences, the child may be able to do things like feed themselves, sit independently, speak short sentences, walking, and use the toilet training. It may take longer time than the others to accomplish these skills. In severe cases may prevent the child from mastering these skills, but each and every individual child is unique. So the complications of Aicardi syndrome, it can lead to early death. The main causes are prolonged and difficult to treat seizures, feeding issues, breathing problems. The child may be more at risk for life-threatening outcomes due to respiratory infections like pneumonia. This is usually due to the muscle weakness in their lungs and diaphragm, and it can make managing these infections a little bit difficult. So, healthcare provider can detect the signs of Aicardi syndrome during a prenatal ultrasound, and they'll confirm a diagnosis after the child has been born by looking for the signs and symptoms that affect the child's brain and eyes. The test to confirm includes MRI, EEG, eye exam from a pediatric ophthalmologist. So the treatment for Aicardi syndrome are anti-seizure medications which helps to control seizures. Other than that, implantable devices like vagus nerve stimulator. The other types of treatment may include physiotherapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, special education programs, vision support, for example, Braille. So, the child may need support throughout their life, especially if they have intellectual disabilities. That's it with today's video. Thank you for watching. Kindly support by subscribing and sharing. Meet you all in next video. Thank you once again.